Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Canva look good. First, always begin with a clear purpose for your design. Then, select a consistent color palette, ideally using 2 to 4 main colors to create harmony. For text, limit yourself to 1 or 2 complementary fonts to ensure readability and a professional appearance. Finally, remember to incorporate plenty of white space. It helps your design breathe and prevents it from looking too busy. Next, let's master layout and visual hierarchy. Guide your audience's eyes by emphasizing key information with larger fonts or contrasting colors. Always align your elements consistently. This creates a professional and organized appearance. Make good use of Canva's built-in grids and guides to ensure precise placement of every object. Grouping related items visually also significantly improves overall comprehension and flow, making your design much more effective. Now, let's talk about selecting your visual elements. Always choose high-quality images that are directly relevant to your message. Blurry or pixelated visuals detract from your design. Ensure all graphic elements, from icons to illustrations, share a similar style or aesthetic for a cohesive look. Remember to crop images effectively to highlight the most important details. Using transparent backgrounds for layered effects can also add depth and sophistication. Finally, it's time to refine and maintain consistency. Always review your design thoroughly for any misalignments, typos, or inconsistencies before finalizing. If you have a brand, apply its visual identity, including colors and fonts, across all design elements for a unified presence. Don't hesitate to get feedback from others. A fresh pair of eyes can spot areas for improvement. Lastly, save and reuse your well-designed templates for future projects to save valuable time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.